After I finish the drop on the paper, let's proceed to design my simple website design using the Adobe Dreamweaver CS3. First, open the application and then select HTML to create new. Then let's save it first by pressing Ctrl S on our keyboard. Choose for the location of our HTML file. But please do remember that it was easier to locate the file by preparing a folder where we can save everything we need for our website creation, from the images and the contents of our system. And then type index.html. Since I have already used the file name index, I'm gonna add one for new file name. To prepare our website, I'm going to insert iframe where the contents will show. So to start, press enter 2 times and then type less than, then type iframe. Kapag may nakita na tayong iframe, just press enter. Then space, type frame border and then press enter and then select 1. Press enter. Then space, type ID and then press enter and then type open. The next, type name, then press enter and then type open. And then next, title, then press enter and then type open again. So we type open for it to be the target location of the HTML file that we are going to link on our clickable buttons. The next, proceed to scrolling. Press enter and then just choose auto. Press enter. The next, the height, I'm just going to use 400 pixels. And then for the width, press enter. I'm gonna use 100%. Then let's close the tags by pressing greater than and then less than, then slash to close. Automatically, it will close the tags or codes for iframe. To add for buttons or clickable buttons, I'm going to use the drop-down menu. First, go to Insert, then select Spray, and then click the Spray menu bar. Then we can choose whether horizontal or vertical orientation. So for my design, I'm going to use the horizontal orientation and then click OK. Nandito naman sa baba, we can be able to edit or rename the names of our clickable buttons. So in here, the main button. So nandito naman po yung sub-buttons or yung sub-content. So first, rename the first item, which is gonna be the home. And in here, for the sub-buttons, we can remove or add buttons. So for home, I'm going to remove the sub-buttons. So let's check on the design for the preview. In here, we can see the main button and the sub-buttons. So after adding the buttons and the iframe, don't forget to save by pressing Ctrl S. Next, I'm going to design for the banner by using the Adobe Fireworks CS3. First, open the application and then select Fireworks Document PNG to create new. Then we can set the width and height by pixels. So I set it to 1340 pixels for width and height for 150. and then for the resolution 150, and then click OK. Let's set the canvas into transparent. I'm just going to use shapes and text box. But let's save it first by pressing Ctrl S. Then for the location, let's look for my file, then images, then type banner. Then .png. Then click save. To add the banner, press enter once in the body and then click insert, click image, and then look for the image or the banner. Select the banner and then click OK and then click OK. So let's check. To add background color inside the body tags, space, type BG, then kapag lumabas na yung BG color, select and then press enter. And then we can choose what color we want. I already prepared all the HTML file I'm going to link on the clickable buttons. And madami po ito. Let's proceed to Adobe Dreamweaver. And to link our HTML to the buttons, select the home and click the folder icon. Then select for the HTML file. We're going to link on the home. So let's look for the proponent and then click OK. Then go to codes, and in here let's add the target location. So press enter and then type open. We type open as it was the code we used in iframe. The HTML file we link in home will show in the iframe. It will show up here in the iframe. So let's see our final output.